Good morning, children. Yesterday I have taken the class for that human development chapter 3 that we discuss about 4 that pillars, and today I am going to take class about the 4 approach. So you know very well about what are the 4 approach. See, the 4 approach of human development. One is the income approach. That the second one is the welfare approach, minimum need approach, capability approach. Then international comparison. Now what the given by the United Nations Development UNDP that United Nations Development Program. Now according to 2019, India rank 129th rank. Now at present the India rank that Human Development Index 130th rank out of 189 countries. Now we are going to discuss now. I am going to explain all the detail now about this 4 approach of human development. Yes, children, what are the 4 approach of human development? See the measure of human development. Okay, here given the detail about the yesterday we discussed about 3 important indicator. So that is the most important for approach of human development. Main important thing see the human development index. Rank countries based on their performance. The key area, that 3 indicator, health, education and empowerment. See the area of health, education and access to the resource. So these ranking are based on the score between 0 to 1 that country earned from its record in the key area of human development. So these are the one of the indicator. So the adult literacy, for example, you can see here the indicator the health. So the health is most important. So the health that is life expectancy at birth. So higher life expectancy mean that people have greater chance to living longer and healthier lives. Next literacy, the adult literacy rate and the gross enrollment ratio represent access to the knowledge. Number of adults who are able to read and write, and the number of the children enrolled in the school. So how easy or difficult it is access to knowledge in the particular country. That means literacy is one of the main important factors. So how much the children are enrolled. Maximum enrollment mean maximum literacy level increase. So next access to resource. So resource mean purchasing power. So how we are calculating. So we are taking 3 together, health, education, empowerment. Each of these dimension is given a weightage of 1 by 3. The Human Development Index is a sum total of weightage assigned to all these dimension. Now we will see 1 by 1. Okay, now we can see here. So 4 approach I already explained. See the first one is the income approach. So income is one of the most important. So the level of the income reflects the level of freedom and individual enjoy. So higher the level of income, the higher is the level of human development. So that is about the income approach. Then second one is welfare approach. So welfare approach means it's a role of the government. The government should spend more expenditure on education, health and social, secondary and amenities. So people are not participate in development but only passive recipient. That means whatever the government is spending money, the government should make use. Then only the development we can see. Otherwise the people will be passive. So the government is responsible for increasing the level of human development by maximizing expenditure on welfare. Then third one is basic need approach. So what is basic need? So what are the things are we need in a day-to-day life that should be provided by the government. It is also explained very detailed about that International Labour Organization which located at Geneva. So they given the important 6 basic need. So one is health, education, food, water supply, sanitation and housing were identified. So the question of the human choice is ignored and the emphasis is on the provision of basic need of defined section. That means those are very weaker. Okay, then fourth one is now capability approach. So what is now capability now approach? See, capability approach means purchasing now power. That means already now that now already I told that now two now eminent now Nobel Prize now scholar now that Muhammad Hullak and Amartya Sen. So here now the building human capability in the area of now health, education and access to resource is a key to increase the human now development. So when the people are now healthy, sound mind, then only they can now able to do any kind of now work. They can earn, they can now improve their economy status. So these are the three important four now approach. So this question maybe now they may be asking for now board exam. Now even now 5 more question now you can expect it. Okay, now we can see that now international comparison. So before that you can see that which country is which country is one of the called that gross national happiness, Bhutan. Bhutan is the only the country in the world to officially proclaim the gross national happiness. You can expect your board exam now 1 more question also. Then international comparison. See, international comparison already I told you now how we are now calculating. Now we are calculating now on the basis of three now important indicator. Okay, already I told in the previously now that income, health, education and empowerment 1 by now 3. So for example now you can see how we are now classifying the countries are now international comparison. So we are comparing the countries now very high that human development, high, medium and low. It is now all now based on the level of now development. Okay, now we can see now the first one here now 0 to 1, that is now rank now the highest now rank comes under now 1 mean highest rank. For example now you can see here now human international comparison now you can see here. Okay, see Sri Lanka now Trinidad and Tobago have higher rank than India in the human development index, despite having the smaller economics countries. Within India, Kerala performed much better than Punjab and Gujarat in human development, despite having lower per capita income. So these are the one of the example. Now we can discuss one by one. Now you can see that higher development. See, very high human development index those which have score of over 0.7. According to the human development report, now you can see 2011 47 countries comes higher. See here the table mentioned here. See the Norway, Australia, United States, Netherlands, Germany, New Zealand, Ireland, Sweden, Switzerland, Japan. So these are the countries are now spending more money on education and health care. That is why now they are now very healthy, sound mind, and their now per capita incomes very high. So that is why this now top 10 countries comes under now very high that human development. Now we can see that next one next 47 countries they're coming under see high level human development. Now second that medium level. Now we can see that medium level countries 47 country. Now they also comes under for 47 country. So medium level already told you. Say high level 0 to 1 0.7 mean it comes under 1 and high very high. Then next medium mean 0.5. Then low level mean below 0.5 there comes under below human development index. Okay, now you can see that here after world war you can see that Soviet Union now split into many countries. Now it is called CIS country, Commonwealth Independent States. Now you can see that many developments are now rapidly improved. Human development also scored by adopting more people oriented policy and reducing social discrimination. So this is about then India. Now you can see the picture here given. Now this is old that is given here. Now this is 2013. Now report 2013, but according to 2019 India 129th rank, but according to 2020 India comes under human development index 130th rank out of 189 countries in the world. So this is about Human Development Index. Now you can see why some of the countries are now very low level. Okay, now you can see that large, see many, as many as 46 countries record low level of human development. A large proportion of these are area and a small countries which have been going through political turmoil and social instability in the form of civil war, famine, or high incidence of disease, so that they have to spend more money on defense. So that is why they are unable to now give more important for education and other development. That is why like some of the countries in Africa, they are also now comes under. Okay, see on other hand you can see the place which low level of human development and to spend more on defense rather than social sector. This shows that these countries tend to be located in area of political instability and they have not been able to initiate and accelerate economic development. So I think now you understood about the four approach of human development. So you can expect your board exam 5 more question. Thank you, children.